Highland Street, or right under Highland Street, there is a tunnel. It used to be a train tunnel. I'm sure a lot of the local folks that might be watching this know that it's here. It's been since I was a kid to explore this, and
you were a kid?
I was a kid once, yes. And me and my daughter, we are out here today, and we're gonna bring you guys along and check this tunnel out. So this railroad track here with the tunnel hasn't been in use for a long time. The tunnel is just back behind us here as we head back. So right here you can see this is about all that's left to the railroad tracks at this point. There is no actual tracks down here, and we're going to be just following this trail back to where the tunnel is. It's a nail. It's a spike. A railroad spike.
Hello.
Hello. I be your bow. Dad, come on. Come on, Daddy. Why is there a bump there, Daddy?
Why is there a bump there?
Yeah.
Well, it smells pretty fresh. The fire, it smells pretty fresh. I'd say people were down here doing their thing last night with a fire. So, not recommend it, but one of my thoughts was to fly the drone through here and then take it up over the other side and bring it back to me, but there's too many trees built up over the entrances of the tunnel, so I'd never be able to get the drone down through here. Right here in the middle of the tunnel, it goes from this cement wall right here, and then it transitions into a brick wall the rest of the way. And then just like any hideout place like this, you're gonna have all this graffiti that is on the wall down here. Not gonna show all of it because I don't appreciate all of it, but definitely some artwork down here. There you are.
Yeah.
A ghost.
Yeah.
That's a pretty cool ghost, isn't it?
Yeah. It has lying down on.
I know. So just some final thoughts with this video as we bring it to an end. And I'm not the first one that has ever thought of this. Others have thought of this as well. The idea to make a trail, like a rails of trail, and have some type of trail coming out to that. And there'd be a perfect opportunity through Maple Avenue with the bridges there, and redoing those two bridges so that you could bring the trail across the woods line. And I don't know what the whole woods situation would be where that used to be for the railroad track, but it'd be cool to see something come together to come across there. It'd be about it'd be just shy of a mile walk back there from the Beaver Meadows trails to come back over that way. Who knows, maybe someday someone will do that, but that would be cool. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and until next time guys, we'll catch you in our next video. Hi, you. Hi. Which, by the way, we are back home, and Ollie's back home with us, and we're just chilling right now. But I thought I'd try to dig behind this heater vent that they've been throwing stuff down, and there's a gold mine down here. I don't know how they got that.
Ew!
I don't know how they got that down there.
It's just
But it's down there.
That's not ours. That's not ours.
I think that was the biggest.
It's a sippy cup, but it's not ours.
There's like mold in it.
Of course there's mold in it. The person that was here before us didn't even have kids.
That's the sad thing.
What is that?
A screwdriver.
Ew. I don't think we're keeping that. That is a fork.
Those were ours.
Yeah, those two are ours.
Ours, everything else.